professed religious of the Franciscans of Mary, vow to God to live for the whole of my life the counsels of poverty, obedience, and chastity within this spiritual family. In this way, I wish to publicly express my total consecration to God, and my love and identification with the spirituality and charism of the Franciscans of Mary, which is gratitude to the Lord, in imitation of the Blessed Virgin Mary and Saint Francis of Assisi. Within the vow of obedience, I include my complete willingness to be a missionary wherever my legitimate superior general sends me to, trusting that it will be God's will for me. I ask God not to abandon the work of His hands and to give me the grace to persevere in